So for the continuation of our discussion on the gallbladder channel, for today we'll move on to the physiological significance of the of the channel changes. So this will aid a lot in our diagnosis and formulation of treatment. One, if we observe redness or swelling in the outer canthus of the eye, we can say that there is presence of wind heat in the gallbladder channel. So as for pulse palpation, there are no special consideration for palpating pulses along the channel. In palpating the channel, pressing the points, and feeling the body surface, we often see tenderness in the area, or if we see tenderness in the area between GB41 and GB43, this often indicates gallbladder channel or organ heat. The more prevalent the nodules in the area, the more likely that dampness is also a significant factor. So here is a picture of the locations of GB39, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So let's continue our palpation. Nodules or tightness in the fascia around GB40 is often indicative of gallbladder fire counterflow. The area will also be severely tender in the presence of stones in the gallbladder or an inflammation of the gallbladder organs, as in cholecystitis. Gallbladder 40 can also become puffy and slightly swollen in the presence of Shaoyang Qi deficiency or accumulation of cold in the gallbladder. Because GB40 is the source point, conditions that manifest with changes in this area are the most often rooted in deficiency. Qi constraint in the gallbladder channel often manifests as tenderness or pain at GB34. This can lead to a wide variety of problems ranging from shoulder pain, neck stiffness, and sciatica to internal conditions such as hepatitis, irritable bowel syndrome, wherein the liver overacting on the spleen is primary, or in gallstones. Shaoyang type constipation also may coincide with tenderness in this area. Okay, this is another picture again emphasizing GB40. So in summary, for gallbladder 34, if we feel tenderness on this point, we can say that there is mild Qi stagnation affecting the pathways of the Shaoyang channel. If there is pain of the more severe type, there is a more severe type Shaoyang constraint. There may also be affecting gallbladder organ. If there are nodules, this could mean chronic deficiency of the Shaoyang channel with Qi stasis. If there is swelling on GB34, this means that there is gallbladder deficiency for Shaoyang channel or Shaoyang channel deficiency, which involves cold. So in GB40, if there is tenderness, this could mean swelling and inflammation along the pathways of the gallbladder channel. If there is tightness in this point or thickness, this means gallbladder fire counterflow. This could also involve nodules, and pain. For gallbladder 41 to 43, if we palpate shallow nodules, this could mean dampness and heat affecting the Shaoyang and may involve the ministerial fire. If there is tenderness, this could mean more severe heat affecting Shaoyang channel or organs. If there is swelling on these points, this could mean cold along the path of gallbladder channel and often on the hip or the low back.